Imagine if the same energy was put into their own success. True. And of course, those people aren't alive now. What I mean by that, they're not in the industry today. They're not traders today. It's so you're right. And I'm always trying to remind my traders, guys, don't get distracted. Your number one focus should be based on what helps me press my buy button and sell button at the right time better. So if someone producing a piece of content that doesn't help you do that, what's the purpose? Somebody's producing a piece of content to make you focus on someone else. I hate this other person. Who cares who you hate, dude? I'm looking to improve my trading. If you can't show me how to do that, if you can't produce a piece of content that helps me mentally be better, stronger, more disciplined, help me press my buy button and sell button better, then who are you and what's your importance? Look, hustlers focus on becoming better and making money, right? Haters focus on people. Never forget that. I'm going to say it again. Hustlers want to be a hustler. They focus on becoming better and making money. Money makes the world go round. I'm sorry. And haters focus on other people. The other people part, forget that. That's not going to make you money. No? But, if you want to be a novella type person, you want to, in the United States, we call it the stories. The soaps, the soap opera. You want to be a soap opera dude? You want to be a novella dude? You want to be a bochinche dude? You want to focus on the bochinches, the chismos, is that it? That's the word? The chismes. You want to be that kind of dude? We're going to focus on trading, becoming better, discipline, pressing our buy buttons and sell buttons at the time better. That's what matters at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? And there's this attitude that you shouldn't be focused on making money. Like, I'm sorry. That is a component of becoming better. Don't let anyone make you think that your focus on making more money is bad, that you should be focused on giving. Wait, you give after you make. And if you're not making money, you have no business focus on giving. Don't give before you have, please. This is the stupidest thing in the world to me. You know what I'm saying? First, you make it, then you give. You don't give before you make it. And so many poor people in the world think this should be the case. Poor people trying to help other poor people. That doesn't make sense to me. No one needs the help of a poor person. The world needs the help from non-poor people. So first focus on not being poor, then help. There's an order to this. I mean, do you understand what I'm saying? I don't want to sound coarse, but this is reality. This is life. These things hold people back. I'm telling you. You know what I'm saying? Focus on you. Pull yourself up by your own bootstraps first, and then pull someone else up. If you can't pull your own self up, who needs you? You need you. No one needs that kind of help. No one needs the help from someone who can't help themselves. No one needs that. So you got to focus on being able to take care of yourself, being able to take care of your family, being able to take care of your family, being able to take care of all of your needs, having no worries. You have to have your cup run over. That's the biblical term, right? My cup runneth over. When your cup runs over, When there's wine spilling all over, all on top of the cup, all down onto the desk, onto the floor, now you can start giving, because that excess that's not your cup, you can give that excess away. I've got excess falling out of the cup, right? But if your cup is 1/3 full, what are you going to give? You're not full. This is you. You're not full yet. Focus on making yourself full. Focus on making yourself so full that you don't need to be full anymore. Full. Now give. So this idea, in my opinion, this philosophy, and I teach my kids this, guys, this philosophy of, but you have to give and you have to help and you can't focus on money all the time. Wait a minute. I get it. But right now, you may need to focus on money. Right now, you may need to learn how to find a way to take care of your bills, to support your family, to put food on the table. That's money. Everything has an order. You don't focus on helping people and your family starving. Are you kidding me? Dude, there's an order to this. No one helps. No baby helps somebody else, some other baby, how to walk, and they don't know how to walk themselves first. There's an order to this. Help comes later. Giving comes later. Philanthropy comes later. You come first. Put yourself first. And this ties back into my original message, right? If someone you've allowed to have your attention, if you've given them your time, I'm going to watch this 13-minute video. 13 minutes of your life. Do you know how valuable that is? I'm going to watch this. I'm going to take 13 minutes of my life, my essence, who I am. Because who I am is made up of my time. So I'm going to take 13 minutes of who I am. I'm going to give it to this person. That person is not helping you become more disciplined, more better, more intelligent, more skillful, whatever. What are you doing? Now add 13-minute videos for 4 hours in a day. Whoa, the wrong ones? You're building very, very poor life, right? I want you focused. I want the people in my life. I want the people who trust me. I want my traders. I want my followers. I want you guys focused. I want us all on the same page. I want us taking every Monday and treating every Monday special. You know why a Monday is special? Because it starts a brand new weekly step in your whole life. Right? How many people approach their Mondays like that? How many people say, okay, they've mapped out what the next week's focus is, how the next week's going to take them one step further, one step higher, that's going to make them more skillful, more intelligent. What are those things that you've mapped out on a Sunday night to start on a Monday morning? You know how many people don't do that? You know how many people dread their Mondays? How many people adore their Mondays because it starts a new journey, a new step, a new improvement? How many people are those in the world? Very little. I want that to be you. Okay? That's how I conduct my life. And it doesn't work to keep it here. You got to write it down. You understand what I'm saying, guys? These are the things. This is the work. These are the things you got to put in. You got to do the things that the vast majority of people aren't doing, right? Help yourself first. That's right.